ChatGPT Trends as of November 9, 2023. One of the current trends highlighted in a recent Roblox report is the growing importance of digital self-expression among Gen Z, especially through avatars in virtual spaces like Roblox. This demographic places significant value on digital fashion, with many stating that styling their avatar is more important than their physical appearance. Brand recognition is also crucial in the metaverse, influencing Gen Z's purchasing behavior both virtually and in the real world. The report also notes a willingness among this group to spend on digital fashion, with a demand for exclusivity, as seen in the quick sale of limited edition items like the ruby pendant for approximately $10,000. The current trends span across various sectors, reflecting changes in digital expression, fashion, and workplace dynamics. In the digital realm, Gen Z's increasing preference for virtual self-expression through platforms like Roblox is evident. Styling avatars has become more significant than dressing up in the physical world for many. Digital fashion is gaining importance, with robust spending on exclusive items and a desire for brand recognition in the virtual space. The digital style also influences physical fashion choices, with a notable rise in avatar-related purchases like hairstyles and emotes. In fashion, the Barbiecore trend has been making waves, with pink becoming the color of the summer, influenced by Greta Gerwig's upcoming Barbie movie. Catherine, Princess of Wales, embraced this trend with a pastel pink pantsuit, reflecting the broader adoption of vibrant monochromatic styles in royal fashion and beyond. In the workplace, several trends are emerging for the coming year, based on Randstad's 2024 Outlook survey. There is a sense of optimism about economic stability and hiring. Yet, there is concern over finding the right talent with the necessary skills, particularly due to technological advancements. The demand for tech skills is surging, with a particular emphasis on technology integration, AI, and machine learning. Hybrid working models are still being optimized, with some organizations aiming to bring staff back to the office while others maintain current flexible practices. AI and technology are driving job market transformations, creating new roles and demanding reskilling. Finally, wage inflation is expected to pressure organizational sustainability, with a focus on managing the rising costs of talent. Thanks for watching.